How to do text-to-speech in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC, press on text on top, click on default text, and then click on add to track. Your text track will be added. On right side, you will find option to add text, add whatever you want, and then you'll find text to speech on top right corner of your screen below export and beside tracking. Click on text to speech and you'll find all these options for the voice of text to speech. Some are pro versions, you will also find free versions. Simply select the one you want and then press on play and your text will be turned into speech. This is how to do text-to-speech in CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.